So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can generate QR code in canva.com. So you can generate QR code any purpose, this does not matter. So first of all I'm going on canva.com, then you can see elements, just click here, elements, just click here QR code, otherwise go to app section, then here are type QR code. You can see I type QR code, then paste this, opened, then paste your URL. So I paste youtube.com, then background color black, foreground color black and background color white. So this is default code. Just click on generate code. Wow, code are already generated. So I save this file as a PNG or JPG. Just click on download button, then just click on download. So just now this QR code scan on mobile phone, then you are ready to this targeted destination. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.